As we talk about Git, it's important to remember that Git was originally created not as a graphical tool, but as a command line tool. Because of this, a lot of the commands in the workflow for Git were set up with the idea that you would be using a command line utility. This is similar to a lot of other version control systems I'm sure you've used. As we'll be doing a brief demonstration of the command line version of Git, I thought I'd start by explaining a few of the commands that exist in Git so that you will recognize them and understand what they're doing as we quickly go through a demo. The first one is init. That's used to create a repository. The second one here is status. That lets you know what the current state of your local repository is. It doesn't show you if you have anything that's committed but not pushed, but it will show you your non-committed changes as well as anything that's staged. The add command is used to add files to the repository as well as a few other tasks. Committing is how you make commits to your local repository. When you commit, that's making a save of the current working directory of your repository. Log is how you see those changes that have been committed. Push is the command to push your changes that you have committed locally up to the central repository. That's configurable and can actually go to multiple locations. Pull is how you pull changes down from another repository. This is also configurable. In fact, you can point to more than one origin that you want to pull from. This is not supported in GitHub for Windows yet, but is in the command line. Merge is the command that you use when you need to merge changes that have come in from separate places, or separate branches, or in any way you have two pieces of code that need to be merged together.